Bam. All right, we are on. Hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Uh, Today we're doing another coding battle. I'm joined here today with Yohua. Yohua, can you please introduce yourself, please?
Hello. I am Yohua. I am someone who clearly needs some clinical health help, considering I have decided to enter this whole thing without even knowing what I'm doing. A pleasure.
Yeah, Yohua is a Spanish-speaking crab who just learned programming. Do you want to tell them how you learned programming recently?
Well, I first think I did a little course for like a couple of months. That was years
Mm-hmm.
ago on something, an app that Google had, Grasshopper, no longer available, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
I maybe before that, I assume I saw something. We had something on programming at school, maybe in high school,
Mm.
and I just realized that the thing that I was doing up till now on a little app called Mimo was for HTML, not any of the languages we could have done. So there's gonna be a lot of
Oh.
stuff coming in. I think I've got some concepts down, probably, hopefully.
Oh, sick. You learned HTML. Oh, yeah, I'm looking at the list of programming language you can select. I don't think HTML is one.
Yeah, no, I was looking at that before, and oh boy.
So, what is your primary language for leak coding?
So I'm gonna go with C plus plus.
C++. Dang.
Like, how hard can it possibly be? If I was saying I should choose Python because maybe I'll remember something from the other course, but am I
Mm,
sane though?
Python and C++ are pretty good choices for leak coding. People usually get those. So, Python is like really short. You can get a lot out of a very few lines of code, I guess. And then C++ just runs really fast, so you can often get really high scores in leak code with C++. So both are good options, I think. Mm. Someone in my chat says, but consider being sane is less fun. Hi,
Yeah,
Velveteen,
yeah.
by the way. All right, cool. Let us make a room together. Let me exit out of this thing first. All right, can you see my screen over here? Oh, let me share it in Discord. I'm not doing that anymore. Well, bam. All right, can you see my screen? We're gonna set up the room settings. So usually, um, so how this works is we can turn on question types that we, know how to solve. Usually we only turn on like less than half of these because nobody knows everything, right? Um,
Yeah.
I've turned off all the hard and medium questions and put it to easy like we usually do. Um, yeah, let me know which of these concepts you're familiar with. Do you know arrays? Like lists?
Um, I'm gonna. How many are there?
There's like a lot. Again, we never turn on everything because we don't know everything.
I was about to just throw a die for it because it's like the only way I can possibly choose something. Honestly, you choose,
Mm.
man. You do it, Chad. You're the pro. I believe in you. I trust you.
I choose, okay. Okay, I think you'll know arrays. Most programming classes teach that like beginner level. Let's not do bit manipulation. I hate those. Um, you know how to count, right? Counting.
Probably, yeah.
Mm, have you used recursion before? It's when a function calls itself.
I, that sounds vaguely familiar. Yes.
Oh, okay. Mm, iterator, linked list. You know some math, right?
Yeah. Sure thing. I'm definitely not a human sciences major, for sure.
Have you heard of stacks or queues?
No.
Okay. Oh, okay, there's recursion. Function calling itself. We are not doing shell scripting. I don't know how to do that either. You know what a string is, right? Like a word.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, two pointers. Uh, I'm trying to think. Um, Someone says, remember that if things have multiple tags, it'll go with any of them. You got a problem with bits with three. Oh, that's true. How many bit problems would overlap with arrays though? Counting, math and strings, recursion and strings. I'm gonna bet that not many. Okay, did you see any other concepts that you're familiar with?
No.
Okay.
Counting is as far as I go, honestly.
Counting. Okay. I'll save these room settings then. And now create the room and I'll send you the code in Discord. Bam, there you go.
And I have arrived.
Yay. Okay. Do you want to do... Oh wait, before we begin, I need to explain to Chet. So because Yohua is beginner level, I've come up with a thing where this thing is called the Wheel of Pain. So every 20 minutes, I'm going to spin the Wheel of Pain and do whatever it says to do. For example, some of it is like delete all my code or attempt leak code 253, which is a Microsoft question, or attempt a Google interview question, stuff like that. So yeah, this is to make it more fair, hopefully. All right. Yeah, Yola, do you want to do the honors and do a countdown before I start the timer?
Whoops. Give me a sec. Gotta set up a timer on my end too.
Yeah.
One hour, right?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1, start.
All right, good luck. See ya.
Good luck.
Oh, don't forget to mute yourself, by the way. We can still talk to each other from time to time, though. Oh, yeah, I was muted. Oh, don't forget to mute yourself on Discord, by the way. We'll still talk to each other from time to time, though. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I have push to talk on Discord, so I'm just using open mic on the stream, and I don't put
Ah,
if
got
I'm not
you.
gonna say anything here.
Got you. Okay. See you then. Good luck.
Yeah.
All right, we are alone together, boys. Go Latin. Uh, oh no. Well, I don't see any bit problems right off the bat, so that's good. You want to say, Lord have mercy. You're given a string sentence that consists of words separated by spaces. Oh, frick. More string parsing. Velveteen says, delete all your code. Chet, why do you have to do this yourself? I mean, chances are, I'll probably remember what I did too, right? It's just gonna be like a major inconvenience. And plus, Yoha is like really beginner level, so he's just taking a couple of programming courses apparently. Yeah. You are given a string sentence that consists of words separated by spaces. Each word consists of lowercase and uppercase letters only. Okay, so it contains letters. We would like to convert the sentence to Goat Latin. The rules of Goat Latin are as follows. If a word begins with a vowel, A-I-O-U, append ma to the end of the word. Okay. For example, the word apple becomes apple ma. If a word begins with a consonant, remove the first letter and append it to the end, then add ma. Goat becomes otgma. Add one letter A to the end of each word per its word index in the sentence starting with 1. First word gets A added to the end, second word gets ah. Got you, okay. I'm a speak Otka. Okay, the rules are pretty simple though. I think we can do this. Yeah, I think we can do this. Okay. Let's go down one rule at a time, right? Okay. So, well, let's first break them up into, let's first break up the sentence, right? Do some string parsing. So, string words is equal to sentence dot split space right here, and dot out dot println. We're going right into a sanity check and words. Arrays dot toString words, and then we're returning null. Okay, sure. Run. Hopefully I did the splitting correctly. Nope, I did not. Run. I speak Golang. Very cool. Okay. Vertex says, hey bro. Hey, what's up? Okay, so we split up the sentence properly. If a word begins with a vowel, append ma. Okay, the A's go to the end. Okay. Let's start doing the... Can we do a string builder to start appending the words? String builder SB is equal to new string builder. Very cool. Okay. For every single word in words. Okay, so if it begins with a vowel, how do I do this? How do I detect if it begins with a vowel? Should I do like a hash set filled with the vowels, or should I just hard code it? Hash set would be faster, right? Is hash set so I can just do like a hash set containing all the vowels and be like, if vowels dot contains the first letter. That would be convenient. Yeah, okay. Is it? I don't know. Sure, let's do it that route. Hash set character vowels is equal to new hash set. This is how we're determining if it's a vowel. Okay, vowels dot add a, vowels dot add e, and so on. Bam, bam, bam. Man, the spacing. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So for word in words, if we need to get the first character. So character first is equal to word dot character at 0. Well, so if do we need to preserve the we need to preserve the capitalization. So word dot character at. Can we, how do we put a character to lowercase? Java character to lowercase. Here. Oh, character dot to lowercase. Okay, very cool. Dot to lowercase. Is that how it works? Dot to lowercase. Okay. So if vowels dot contains first, then we what? What do we do? Append ma to the end. Okay. Word plus equals ma. Okay. And then we add it to the string builder, right? Okay. sb.append ma. Yeah, okay. Is that how we do it? Yeah, sure. The word. Okay. Um, do we have to take care of spaces too? Yeah, we do, don't we? Um, I guess if not sb dot is empty, then add a space. sb dot add a space. Yeah, okay, we'll take care of spaces like this. Okay, let's do a sanity check. Let's make sure we process our vowels correctly. So sb dot toString, that's what we return for now. Dot to lowercase, character cannot be dereferenced. Wait, what? SB, well, okay, so this is sb.append. Character lower ch is equal to character, oh, I see what's going on. I used the method incorrectly. Character dot to lowercase. Like this, no? Run. Okay, so now we have, output is, I must, okay, that looks right so far. Jumped over ma, okay, over ma, that works, okay. What happens if it's a consonant? Remove the first letter and append it to the end, then add ma, okay. So else, that means this is a consonant. This is a consonant. Word is equal to word.substring, begin with the first letter, I guess, plus ma. Yeah, okay. That's it, right? That's all we have to do. Remove the first letter and append it to the end, then add ma. Becomes otgoma. Output is ot. I don't think that's right. Oh, we forgot to append the first character. Plus first. We already have it. Plus first. Plus ma. Right. Oh, we have to preserve the case. Dang it. Okay. Word.character at. So we have otgoma. Okay, so now we just have to append the A's. Add one letter A to the end of each word per its word index, starting with 1. Okay. And then we have num A's is equal to 1. Okay. So word plus equals A. Is there a string repeat in Java? Java string repeat. I know there's one in JavaScript. Simple way to return repeat. Got you. Okay. Dot repeat num A's plus plus. Okay. We're approaching the, wait, no, we have 8 minutes left before I spin the wheel. Accepted. Nice. Okay. Do I submit? Sure, I submit. Let's go. Yo, it's like, yikes. There's still the wheel. Okay, so for sure I have 1 on the board now. Should I optimize this? How fast would it be if I delete this system.out? system. All right. Cool. Design hash map. Design a hash map without any built-in hash table libraries. Implement the myHash class. MyHashMap initializes the object with an empty map. Okay. Inserts a key. Oh, wait, how do hash maps work underneath again? You calculate the index of an array somehow, right? And then you fetch it in. Put, get, remove. Key value. Oh, this is kind of involved. This sounds like it would take a long time, so I'll skip this for now. Remove linked list objects. Given the head of a linked list and an integer value, remove all the nodes in the linked list that has node.value equals value and return the new head. All right. Example 1, if the value is 6. If the value is 6, okay, this is what we return. Ooh, this is going to be so tricky because the edge cases. What if 6 is at the beginning too, or if we have a bunch of 6s in the beginning? Oh, should we put a bunch of dummy nodes in the beginning? I think that's the way to go. Yeah, let's put a dummy node in the beginning and then just return whatever's next after the dummy node. Velveteen says, I'd save the harder ones for after you've spun the wheel, honestly. Yeah, that's what I think too. This one doesn't seem that bad though. Okay. I think we should... What do we do here? I think we should put a dummy node in the beginning and then set 2 pointers running through here. Yeah, okay. We definitely need a pointer to the previous. We can always get what's next. So if we get to a node that we don't want, yeah, it's easy to get the next one, right? And just reroute the nodes here. That should be possible, okay. Sure, okay, let's make the dummy node first. So list node, let's call it the dummy head node, dumb head, is equal to, what's the constructor? New list node. The value, let's set it to -1. The next node is the head. Let me resize this. Okay. Okay. We have 2 pointers too, so P1 is equal to dumb head. This node P2 is equal to the head, right? Just head. Okay, 43 minutes. 3 minutes left until I have to spin the wheel. Okay, so while P1 is not equal to null, is that a good case? I think that's okay. Wait, is that a good idea? I don't know. So am I forced to check if P1 has the value too if I do this? So maybe I should start with head. Should I do this? No, actually, P1 should just be my previous. I should check whatever is head. While P2 is not equal to null. Yeah, okay. That's the way to do it. Okay, what do we do here? So if P2 is the value, right? If P2 dot value is equals to the value, then we have some stuff to do. So P1 is the previous, right? Oh, what do we do here? So we have P1. Um, we need to get our next one, right? I have 1 minute before I spin the wheel. No. List node next is equal to P2 dot next. I'm so confused. Okay, so P1 dot next is now equal to next. That should be it, right? I feel like that's it. And then you update the pointers in the end. P1 is equal to P1 dot next. P2 is equal to P2 dot next. If this works or not, I have no idea. What if P2 is null? Oh, then we stop that here. Okay. Should we just return dumbhead? Next, run. No, my output is 6. Oh, oh shoot. I'm 1 off. Why am I not getting the last one? What? My output is still this. No. Why? 20 seconds left until the wheel. I have no clue. If p2.value is equal to value, yeah. Would it be better to look at this case first? Oh, time is up. Time to spin the wheel. Bam. Spin. I have to solve any Google question. No. All right, I just spun the wheel. I have to solve any Google interview question. Wish me luck.
Thank God. Please, please let it take you the whole hour.
No. All right, I'll see you.
Okay.
What is that music playing in the background? Okay, here we go, guys. Hoi to the hoi hoi. But hey, I can choose any Google interview question. There's some easy ones, right? Surely there's some easy ones. Where the model at? Okay, I'm gonna pull up my brother's LeetCode account first. I should have pulled this up earlier. LeetCode. Bam. Okay. All right, we're going to Google interview questions now. There's literally two sum. Should I cop out with two sum? Oh, hi 3, by the way. Hello. It was missing during... Where model at? The model? Oh. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I didn't put it there. Should I just wheel of pain? Delete that. There we go. Why am I wasting my time with this? Okay, I could really cop out. I could cop out so easily with two sum. Two sum is so easy, isn't it? Should I? How mu I don't know. I'm definitely going for an easy problem. Create hello world function. Google test this. It should return a new function that always. Oh, oh, that's not a Java question. Should I literally just cop out with two sum? I'm so tempted. Oh, best time to buy and sell stock. You know what? I'm gonna do a easy problem, but not two sum. Oop, gonna erase that solution really quickly. Okay, I know how to do this. You're given an array prices where prices is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay. I just realized the timer isn't shown here too. Let me fetch that real quick. Wheel of pain. Wait, I just realized. What if I take... Oh, this is so messy. Holy. Bam, okay. Oh no. Frick, did the timer just restart? No. God damn it. It's because I copied and pasted it. No. How much time is left? I think you just reset the timer. Dang. Every time I go back to the screen, it resets. Okay, it was around 46. Okay, 46. Thank you for telling me. Ooh. Let's do 44 then. Oh no. No. How do I... Oh no, how do I reset the timer? Oh, there we go. Okay, 44. Oh well. I just realized, what if... Wait, it can't be around 46. I started the problem at 46. No, I started the problem at 40. Let me ask Yohua. Hey Yohua, sorry, I accidentally restarted my timer. What's the time right now?
Give me a sec.
Yeah.
It's 33 with 40 seconds.
33:40. Okay, thank you.
Now. Yep.
Got you. Oh. $33, huh? So let's do 32. 32. Bam. Okay, so we're doing Lika 121. I'm losing time. Best time to buy and sell stock. You are given an array prices for prices. Okay, we already read this. The maximum profit. Okay, we know how to do this, right? I swear we've done this before. No, we've definitely done this before. You just hug the minimum, right? Keep track of what the local minimum is, and then for each price, we just subtract it from the minimum. It's okay, Velveteen. You tried your best. I appreciate. Okay, so we do for every int price in prices. The local min, we'll do 0, I guess. What's the minimum price? Sure, it's 0, okay. Okay. Actually, should it be just the... Oh, you're still seeing the wheel. Why is the wheel on screen? Oh, there we go. Okay. Thanks for reminding me. I'm solving best time to buy and sell stock. Zero, I suppose. So int best price is equal to, well, the current profit is equal to the current price minus the local min. Is that how we do it? Or should we do like integer dot max value? Okay. And then int best profit is equal to 0, I guess. If you can't achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, that's good, I think. If the current profit is greater than your best profit, then your current best profit is equal to, wait, I can just do best profit is equal to math.max, the current best profit, and current profit. Okay, and then the local min, we update that to local min is equal to math.min of the current local min and, you know, the current price. And then we return best profit. Dang. Yay. Oh. Okay, back to the battle. Why is this not working? Okay, so 20 more minutes. I was gonna do every 20 minutes, but I just realized if I spend 20 minutes on the problem, the wheel problem, I'm never gonna have time to do any of this. So we'll spin the wheel again at 47 minutes. Sure, 47 minutes. Okay. Why is this not working? This makes no sense. We failed to get rid of the 6 over here. Why? Let's print out what node we're looking at currently. Print to ln p2 plus p2.value. Okay, so list node next is equal to p2.next. p1.next is equal to next. So p1 would be 5, right? Would it? So then we would set 5 to p2.next, which is null. That's how it should work, right? Right? Does it have to do with something how we're updating this? P1 is equal to p1.next. Oh, wait. P1 is equal to p1.next, so that would be Wait a minute. Something's fishy here. So if we remove this here, P1 was here. Oh man, what? Huh. Huh. Something's fishy with the way we're updating the pointers here. So P1 will be here, P2 will be here. What would be the new start? Would we actually? P1 would stay the same, right? P1 needs to stay the same because we need to look at this one now. So P2 would then be equal to next. Yeah, okay, and then P1 stays the same. Yeah, okay. And then else, then we do this thing where P1 and P2 updates like this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I think that makes sense. Let's go. Oh, I solved it, I think. Oh, submit. Hey, let's go. By the way, I'm dumb. I did say I was gonna spin the wheel again at 47, right? That's the wrong time. I'm gonna have to do it again at 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes. Okay. Because the time was 27, right? That's how I did the math. Yeah, so I'll have to spin it again at 7 minutes, Lynn. Okay. Largest local values in the matrix. Okay, you're given an n by n integer matrix grid. Generate an integer matrix max local of size n minus 2. What? Matrix ij is equal to the largest value of the 3 by 3 matrix in grid centered around row. What? So 0, 0 is equal to centered around row. Wait, I don't get it. What? Row I plus 1. Row is this one. And column j plus 1. Oh, okay, so, oh, okay, here. Huh. Huh. That's tricky to think about, but I think it should be doable. Largest value of the 3 by 3 matrix in grid, center around, okay. Ooh, that's tricky to think about. So 9 here would correspond to 1, 1. So this 3 by 3. So the largest will be 9, so we put 9 here. Max local ij, this is 0, 1. 0, 1 would be here, right? Wait. Add 1, so 0, 1. So this grid. Okay, I see it, I see it. Notice that each value in the generate matrix corresponds to the largest value of a contiguous 3 by 3 matrix in grid. Huh. Okay. I think I see how to do this. Hmm. You know, should I actually attempt? Should I actually spin the wheel again at 20 minutes? I think it's only fair. So I only have to spin the wheel twice. Oh, yeah, that's fair, I guess. Sure, let's spin the wheel again at 20 minutes. I'm gonna take out my jacket. Hold on, give me 1 sec. All right, I'm back. So for this problem, I guess we just go. Do we just figure out? Yeah, we already know the size of the max matrix, right? Yeah, we just find the center and then grab all the elements, find the max. Okay, let's spin the wheel again. Yay. Wheel of pain. Oh, another Google question, frick. No. Another Google question. All right. So I can't switch my screen or else the timer will reset. That's how OBS works, apparently. You know, the built-in script timer. So I will choose a question myself. Which question should we do? Let's do another easy question, right? Oh, let's do an easy question that we haven't done before. 1757. 1757. Lead code 1757. I have not done this before. Recyclable and low-fat products. This is a MySQL question. So, no. Other question, please. Two sum time? Should we actually do two sum? That's like so cop out though. Type of triangle and under the boundary. 3028. Find x sum of all k long subarrays 1. And on the boundary sounds fun. Okay. Which question is this? 3024. Leak code 3024. 3028, I misread. Oh, AKS Sir says, what's up? Hey, what's up? And on the boundary. Oh boy. An ant is on a boundary. It sometimes goes left and sometimes goes right, okay? You are given an array of non-zero integers nums. The ant starts reading nums. What? The ant starts reading nums from the first element of it to the end. At each step, it moves according to the value of the current element. Oh, I see. So it moves left to right depending on the integer, okay. So negative moves left, okay. Return the number of times the ant returns to the boundary. Is this not really easy? Is this like deceptively hard? So 2, 3 goes right 5. And then it goes back 5 again, so it's back on the boundary. Is it just me, or is this like supposed to be pretty easy? We just keep track of where it is at all times, you know? All right. So Boolean, we'll just have a variable to track which side it's on. So is on right side, I guess, is equal to false, I guess. And then after the first element, we'll just check, did it switch sides? And if it did, wait, what if it goes, so if it switched sides, or if it's on 0 again, then it counts as a boundary switch, I guess. Yeah. All right. Or like if the previous side was a negative and we go to a positive, then it switched sides. All right. Sure. For every single num in nums, okay. And then we have an int called current position. There's a chance that I'm gonna end on this question. Is equal to 0. How many numbers are in nums? Nums.length is 1, okay. Should I start? Should I start on the first one? On the first position? Goes nums 0. In the previous position, I guess? Oh, this is hard. Wait, this is kind of confusing to think about. Wait, Wait, why is my mind kind of just breaking trying to think about this? Previous position. Should I just do a bogus value called integer.min underscore value? It's not when it crosses, it's anytime it's at 0. Only after it is moved. Oh, if the ant crosses the boundary during its movement, it does not count. Wait, that's so easy. Then we just track when the position is 0. If the ant crosses the boundary during its movement, it does not count. Got you. Wait, that's hecka easy then. We just track its current position. Sure. Current position plus equals the num. And if the current position is equals to 0, then we have a variable called times on boundary is equal to 0. If the current position is 0, then times on the boundary plus plus. Yeah. And then you return times on boundary. Wait, this can't be this easy, right? This is a Google interview question. This is like deceptively easy. All right. Wait, this is such an easy question. Google actually asked this? This is like stupidly easy. They hire people based on this? Yeah, look, Google's here. Oh wait, no, this is a premium feature, never mind. But it was on the Google list. Do we even need a hint on this? All right. That was stupidly easy. Okay, now this one. Okay. Generate an integer matrix max local. Okay. Maybe it's to think if you overthink slash overcomplicate it. Wait, yeah, that's true. I did overthink it. I did overthink it. I kept thinking you have to track when it crosses it too. Okay, let's make our max local matrix, right? The result. Max local is equal to new int size n minus 2 times n minus 2. Okay, so grid dot length minus 2 and grid dot length minus 2. That is kind of messy. There's a chance I'm not going to finish this. That's fine though. I'll still try my best. And so the size is minus 2, minus 2, okay, is equal to the largest value of the 3 by 3 matrix in the grid centered around the row. Okay, out of bounds stuff is going to be a pain here. Okay, so we're going to have to iterate largest value 3 by 3 centered around row. Okay, so we're going to have to iterate for row is equal to 0. Well, r is less than max local dot length r plus plus. And the column is equal to the same thing, right? The height is exactly the same, so we can just copy this. C++. Okay. Cool. So for every row and column in max local, we need to get its max right. Oh boy. Max local at the specific row column is equal to get max. Let's do a helper function grid at r comma c. And then we return max local. Just making sure that this thing actually compiles. Yeah, okay, get max is not defined. Private int get max. We put in grid int r int c. There's no way I'm completing this on time in my Okay. I'll still try my best though. Okay. How do we compute the 9 grids here? For a row, difference is equal to -1. Okay. R diff is less than or equal to 1. R diff plus plus. That's the offset we add to the row. Column is going to be similar. The same offset we're going to add to the row as well. Column difference plus plus. Okay. So if we need to make sure everything is in bounds, right? If our difference is greater than or equal to 0, and wait, it's so complicated. Int row is equal to r plus r diff. Column is equal to c plus c difference. Okay, we need to check if it's in bounds. If row is greater than or equal to 0 and row is less than grid dot length, I'm panicking. There's 4 minutes left. Column is greater than or equal to 0. Same thing, right? And column is less than grid dot length. So this is if it's in bounds. We need to track the local max. Int max excuse me, is equal to math dot min underscore value. Bam. So if stuff is in bounds, the current max is equal to the max of the current max and current max and the grid, aka the current value, right? Okay. And then the end you return max. Ho ho. I have a feeling this isn't gonna work. Line 12. Oh. Math dot cannot find symbol. Oh, integer. There's 3 minutes left. Int. Well, fantastic. 9999. What? How do I even debug this? No. These are just straight up just wrong, man. Okay. Time to start printing out stuff. Wait, am I looking at the wrong center? Center around I plus 1 and j plus 1. Ah. I know it's wrong now. Plus 1. Is that why? Let's freaking go! Yeah! You know what? There's no way I'm solving the last one in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm done. I solved 5 problems today, man. My brain is fried. 2 Google problems too, although I admit they were super easy. Ridiculously easy. Yeah, I'm done. My brain is fried. We can still look at the design hash map thing though. Okay, how do hash maps work, right? You store everything in a array, right? And then each element in the array is a linked list, maybe? Yeah. So whenever you want to put a key or value inside, you compute a index of the array. Chat is lagging so much, oh my lord. Oh, is it? Maybe Twitch is extra slow today. So if you want to put a key, well, in the constructor, you would initialize an array, right? All right. And then if you put something, you would calculate its index. What's the hash function though? Is it modulus? Modulus however many spots are in the array, I guess. And then you add the value in, I guess. Wait. Wait, is this how you do it? Wait, the key is straight up an integer. Can't you just do... Is this not just... Wait, I'm so confused. Sure, let's do a linked list. Array with linked list. Put the key in with linked list should point to the key and then the value, right? Sure. And then when you get, you compute the hash value, go to the correct index in the array, go through your linked list sequentially and try to find your, key and value. Remove, you compute the hash key, go to that index, and remove the linked list. Sure, that's the basic idea, I think. All right. Time is up, I know. I don't know why I thought I would have to spin the wheel 3 times. I spin it at 40 minutes in, 20 minutes in, 0 minutes in, so it's nothing. Is Yohua streaming right now?
The queen.
He's playing poker.
Card 7 of that. Queen. What's the jack? And that's
This
time.
bastard, he's playing poker.
I'm gonna wait for Chet to say something. Until then, I'm gonna keep doing this.
Oi, why are you playing poker?
No, it's solitaire.
Oh, it's solitaire. How are you doing in solitaire?
I'm doing way better on solitaire than I am doing on the thing. I get the principle. I get it. I just have no clue what commands to use, or don't even remember. Was trying to remember the spacing, like
Uh-huh.
that I had to define what a vowel is,
Uh-huh.
then make it detect the space, which was something using these things. No, a different thing. I don't remember. And
All
then
right.
but then I got completely choked at how do I make it go to the end of the word? I think someone said that I had to make the string a list because if I cannot modify the string. But yeah.
Wait, what do you mean go all the way to the end?
No, like because on Code Latin you have to like change the word, right? Or do I just change how it is? If this then print whatever? No clue. Listen, I'm just rambling. I have no clue what I'm even saying.
Yeah, I'm so confused what you're saying too. By the way,
Yeah.
I can't wait to see your footage. Like, how long have you been playing solitaire, man?
No, like honestly, like a minute. It's
A
been
minute?
more.
Oh,
It's been more stock footage of people crying and idle breakout.
really? Dude, I can't wait to see your
But
footage.
I like I don't even play it, man. It's been on the background.
I see.
Just bunch of freaking Stack Overflow. God bless. I know it would dox myself again. God bless. I know if I understood half of what it says, I would do great, but I don't.
It's pretty great, man. Do you want to share what your code looks like currently? I don't write C++ at all, but
No, I
maybe
changed it to Python.
Oh, you
I
changed the
changed
Python.
it at the end. I was just
Uh-huh.
defining this because I was trying to put this thing, not strip. This one starts with, but then I that was somewhere here. Ah, here it is. Right, so I defined what a vowel is, and that's about it. I tested it like 7 times just for it to say, "I have no clue what you're trying to do. Do it again."
Oh, okay, I see your code. So if first is equal to A or E, okay, so you're trying to find the value. Uh, if sentence that starts with vowel. Oh, okay, you're writing pseudocode. I mean, yeah, you got the logic down. The logic is definitely correct. Then type sentence, string. Oh, I see, I see.
No, the rest I didn't even modify. Like I went up to the fifth line. The rest is just what it came with.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
I added the then. Maybe.
Okay. Dang. I am generally so curious what your footage looks like. I'm actually so
Let me,
curious.
let me see. I should honestly, if it was like another hour, I would probably have the code in the background and then have a little match of chess.com here.
I can already imagine the edit, just like me frantically coding my life away, and then here cutting back to you listening to classical music, and there's just stuff going on.
Oh no, the classical music was here from like the first couple of minutes, definitely.
Oh, okay. Um, should I explain what my solution is to you? We can like, uh, maybe you'll find something you can use. I don't know, for the future when you code.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. All right, go live. Yeah, I was looking at your, I was looking at your Twitch. Okay, go Latin. I had some trouble figuring out how to do the vowel thing too. Um, let's see. So Java has a thing where you're given a sentence, right? You can tell it to split by a specific string, in this case, a space. So it returns a list filled with the words split by the space. So you can get every single word really conveniently. To determine if something is a hash or a vowel, there's a data structure called a hash map. Sorry, a hash set, which is basically like a list, except if you want to see if it contains an element, it's really fast, so that's why I chose it. It's basically a list filled with all the vowels, and then I can just say if the vowels list contains the character, then it's a vowel, and it's really convenient. It's basically it. So I do for every single word in the words list, I get the first character, and if it's a vowel, then I add ma to the end. Word plus equals ma. And else, I, manipulate it the way you would with a consonant. And then I just add it back into the sentence. Yeah. Oh, I also have a count of the number of A's to append at the end. It starts off with one, and for each word, I plus it, add one to it, and then I add that many A's to the end. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm not sure how much sense that made. That's in Java. Hmm.
Yeah, the only thing I've ever done with Java is like set up a Minecraft server.
Oh, that's something too.
I mean, if
Hmm.
copying the code from someone is, yeah,
All right. So, what have you been doing all this time?
I'm just scratching my head and saying how much I don't know what I'm doing.
All right. Again, I'm so curious to watch your footage. Oh, by the way, you weren't the first person to get like uh nothing right, by the way. Threeve? Is Threeve still in the chat? Oh, Threeve is here. If the crab wasn't coding in Rust, I'll be disappointed. Threeve, the real software engineer, chose uh his handicap language, which screwed himself over, so he got 0 too.
Okay, nice. Nice, Dweeb.
Yeah. Um, oh wait, somebody else also. Who was it again? Oh, Vivian, the APCS. APCS
Yeah, I
student.
know. Yeah, I know Vivian.
Oh, no way. You guys
Yeah,
stream
yeah, we did
together? Collabs?
just one. Keep talking and nobody explodes.
Oh, I see. She is. She is a mood. The stuff she says is pretty funny.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the battle. Um, yeah, any thoughts about what happened? Anything you want to say?
Yeah, should have definitely looked at what languages were on this thing before I
Uh-huh.
straight up said like, oh, I mean the app recommends HTML, so let's do that. Even that, like, even then, I don't know a lot of it, but here I was like, what is this term? What are you saying? The freaking lead code page is speaking to me in tongues. What is this?
You went in here. Yeah, I'm totally gonna use HTML to beat Chet.
Like,
And
what?
it's not even a language here.
Yeah,
All
really,
right.
really great.
Okay. On my end, oh, I think I forgot to update you, but I spun the wheel twice at 40 minutes in and then 20 minutes in, and I had to solve two Google questions, which is pain. My brain is like very fried right now, but
Okay.
luckily I chose very easy questions. So yeah, thank you, Velveteen in the chat for convincing me to solve the last problem. I see you talking about it. My brain is actually so fried right now. I solved five problems and only three of them counted. It's so pain.
Okay.
Uh, but yeah. All right. Do you have anything you want to plug or announce here at the end?
I do not because everything that I'm doing right now is still work in progress. So yeah,
Mm. Oh, very secretive. You can't.
it's
What about
I
just a
mean
hint of what you're working on?
it's mainly covers. Like I got a duet coming up
Oh,
probably
covers.
one of
Oh,
these
you do
days.
duets.
Something I am actually at least capable of doing. I'm not even gonna say competent, but capable of doing that at the very least.
Oh, wait. Have you posted any of your duets online before? Is it with Teji by any chance?
No, no, no. It's gonna be with Boba, by the way. Spanish song.
Oh, with Boba. Oh, Boba Peach Tea.
Yeah.
Like on her channel or on your channel?
I'm still learning the chords, so we'll see.
All right. Okay. I guess people watch out for that. Um, all right. I don't have anything else then. Um, anything else you want to do or add? Otherwise, I think that's it then.
Yeah, no, that's it. Thanks for having me, man. I don't really know what I did all this time, but thanks anyway.
Yeah, no worries. Again, you're like the third person to not like make any progress on either problem,
If
so
it if
no
it counts
worries.
as for anything, I didn't give up. Even while I was playing solitaire, I was looking at what the heck I should do.
Yeah. Yeah, again, I said this so many times that I'm so curious what your footage is like. Please send it to me.
Okay, yeah, I'll probably like censor the two times that I doxed my ass because professional streamer. But yeah, I'm gonna send it to you.
All right, thank you. Well, that was Yoha, everyone. Thank you so much, Yoha, for coming and trying your best and playing solitaire at the end. Yeah, that's it then. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you next time then. See ya.
See ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you everyone for coming too. All right. Thanks, Velveteen. Thanks, Threve. So the score is 3-0. Technically, I did five problems. The two of them was super easy. Thank you, Velveteen, for the encouragement for the last one, I guess. I'm so cooked right now, my brain. Bye. Is anyone streaming right now? Can I rate anyone? Oh well, screw rating. My mind is fried. Bye, guys.